Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about the pseudo columns in Oracle. A pseudo column behaves like a table column, but it is not actually a part of that table. Any select statement can include these pseudo columns, but we cannot update, insert, or delete their values. There are various pseudo columns available in Oracle, and some of them are highlighted here. We will see them one by one and try to understand their use cases. So the first column in the list we have is row ID. It gives the physical location of a row in a database table. The second pseudo column in the list is row num, which gives the row number to each row stored in a database table. The next one in the list is sysdate, which gives the current date and time of the system. The next pseudo column in the list is user. It returns the name of the session user who logged in. Then we have current val and next val. These pseudo columns are used with sequences, which are basically the schema objects that are used to generate unique sequential values. These values are often used as a primary key or the unique keys. We will see the use cases of this current val and next val while we will learn creating these sequences. So for now, current val returns the current value of the sequence, whereas the next val increments the sequence and returns the next value. Let's switch to SQL Developer and see the use cases of all the pseudo columns which we have seen so far. So here we are in our SQL Developer. Let's look at the first pseudo column example, which is row ID. Before this, let's select the data available in our employee table. So we have total 14 records in our employee table. Now let's use the row ID column to see the physical address of all these 14 rows stored in our Oracle database. So these are the physical addresses of all these 14 records stored in our Oracle database. If you notice here, all the row ID values are unique. The next pseudo column in the list we had row num, which gives us the row number each of the row in a table. Let's write a same query for employee table with row num pseudo column. So here we go. If you look at here, the row number has given the sequential number to each row available in our employee table. So starting from 1 all the way to 14. Okay. Then we have sysdate, which gives us the system date and time. So let's go ahead and use this sysdate column with our employee table and see what we are getting. So we are getting the current date of the system, which is 23rd of October. We can also use the sysdate with dual table, which is basically a spatial table provided by Oracle database. So you can simply use dual table to test any function in Oracle database. So let's go ahead and test this sysdate pseudo column. Here we go. We are getting the system date as 23rd October 2024. The next pseudo column we have is user, which gives us the username who is logged in to the database system. So let's go ahead and use this user pseudo column with our dual table. So if you notice here, sys user has logged in to this Oracle database. Let's confirm this. What is the ID we are using here to log in? It is sys, who is logged into the system right now. Now we have left with only last pseudo columns, which are current val and next val, which I will cover in the later sections of this series when we will learn about creating the sequences. Okay, so that's it for this lecture. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.